Spring into beautiful days with these DIY painted terracotta pots featuring Oak Lane Studios Spring Craft stencils. Here's everything you'll need to create your lovely new flower pots. Check the description for a complete list. Once you've decided on the placement of the first design, mark and trim the stencil to fit the curvature of the flower pot. Use frog tape painter's tape to secure the stencil to the pot surface. Shake the paint bottle thoroughly before pouring a small amount on a clean paper plate. Use a swirling motion to thoroughly soak the bristles with paint. Next, remove excess paint from the brush by repeating the swirling motion on a fresh stack of paper towels. Apply the paint in light, even coats. Next, pour out some bright lime green and add a drop of robin eggs blue to create the perfect shade of green for the leaves. Now, remove the stencil to reveal the completed first design. For the more intricate design of the second stencil, use Glad Press and Seal to mask off individual design elements. After cutting an appropriately sized piece, place the press and seal onto the stencil and press lightly to remove any bubbles or wrinkles. Next, use the Gyro Cut Craft and Hobby cutting tool to trim and remove the press and seal that's covering the basket element. As with the first stencil, mark and trim to fit the shape of the flower pot and affix with frog tape. Now apply the Pinecone Brown patio paint. Other elements that are separated from the basket may be trimmed and removed from the press and seal at this time. If you find any portion of the stencil that's lifting slightly, use a long needle, chopstick, or similar tool to help keep the stencil flush with the pot surface. Remove and reapply Glad Press and Seal as needed to isolate other stencil elements. Repeat the trimming and removal process using the Gyro Cut tool. Tweezers work great to remove smaller sections of the press and seal. Frog tape is also useful for masking small stencil elements. Continue masking and painting as needed for the other colors and stencil designs. Your new flower pots featuring Oak Lane Studio stencils are ready to make your home even warmer this spring.